The critical question that every parent has to ask when he decides where to send his child to school is, what do I want my child and his family to look like when they're 40? And once you have a clear vision of what you want your child to be when they're 40, then you ask yourself, what school is most likely to produce that outcome? The education Yeshiva Toras Chaim ensures only one outcome, that our student, whatever he decides to do, will be a Ben Torah and will be comfortable opening up a page of Gemara or a Mishnah Brura or a Musar Sefer and be able to read it and understand it and have that guide his life, whatever that life may be.
What's truly amazing about the yeshiva is that every single member of the staff loves working here and sees it as their mission in life, their tafka b'chaim, to develop the next generation of our young men. There's so much that goes on out of the classroom because we realize that our mission over here is not just the academics, but really to develop the Talmidim into well-rounded Bnei Torah that could go out and really make a difference in their own lives and the lives of Klal Yisrael.
One of the trademarks of Yeshiva Toras Chaim and Toras Emes is the kesher the Rebbeim have with the Talmidim. Anything you need from a Rebbe, he'll be there for you.
When I first came to Yeshiva Toras Chaim, I did not know how to read the Gemara very well. But the Rebbeim took countless effort and time into teaching me the Gemara, and now I'm caught up with the class.
When I was in high school, I felt that learning with the Beis Medrash guys not only helped me understand Shir better, but also gave me a picture of what Limud Torah can do for a person. Now that I'm in Beis Medrash, on the other side of the equation, I appreciate the opportunity to help the high school boys become Bnei Torah.
From the minute I came into the dorm from leaving my home, right away I was embraced, and you feel like you're part of a new family.
What I enjoy the most about Yeshiva Toras Chaim is the adventure that we have. The shiurim have really taught me how to understand the svaros and the Gemaras, the questions, the answer, each step individually, so I could have it really clear in my head.
At Toras Chaim, we have developed parallel secular programs that we continue to enhance and expand every year, and those programs serve to meet the needs of the individual students. At this yeshiva, the top priority is to create Bnei Torah and Bnei Musar who are lamdonim. We instill within our students a love of learning, and once a student loves to learn, he will learn for the rest of his life.